Hi, all happy subscribers. We installed Python and Jupyter last time. You did it, that's very good. Today, we will learn how to use Jupyter Notebook. I believe you can. First open Window menu tabs and type CMD. Then type Jupyter Notebook. You can see a window pops up. This is a Jupyter Notebook. Here are some folders like desktop or downloads. Because this is in your user's directory. Then let's click desktop. Here you can see icons on desktop because its location is desktop. To create Python file, click New button and Python 3. Then you can see layout like a text editor. Save button and others. But I think you scarcely use these buttons. And also it is not effective to memorize all functions. So I choose some useful functions and shortcuts to explain. First click rightmost keyboard button. Then help pops up. You can see a guide here. It is good to use this help. Press ESC button to escape. And also you can see help by press H. Then help shows up. To explain Jupyter shortcuts. Type print. Print is a Python function that prints what in parenthesis. Just type hello with quotes. Quotes implies this is a string or characters or words. I will tell you about this later time. Now just follow me. Press Ctrl key with Enter key. Then a print function prints a word hello. If you press Ctrl key with Enter key one more time, you can see a number 1 at the left side of a code changed to 2. This number means running times. So it means this code ran secondly in this file. Press B button. Then a cell is created below. Remember, B button functions to create a cell below. As did, type print hello. And press Ctrl key with Enter key to run. Then a result is displayed. On the other hand, if you press A button, then a cell is created above. Remember, A button functions to create a cell above. Creating a cell is okay. Then how to delete cells? Press X. Then cell is deleted. If you want to run a code and make a new cell below simultaneously, press Alt key with Enter key. Then a code runs and a cell is created. If you want merge cells, firstly you should select multi-cells. Press Shift key and drag by arrow key. Then multi-cells are selected. Press Shift key with M. As shown, cells are merged. Conversely, if you want to split a cell, then let's locate pointer where you want to split. And press Shift key and Control key and minus key. Then a cell is splitted. You would want to type a non-coding word, like a title or a date of this file. In this case you can use markdown cell. Press ESC key to be in command mode. Press M. Then this cell changed to a markdown cell, which is a non-coding cell. Type a word. Press Ctrl key with Enter key to run. Then a result is displayed like this. If you want a bigger size of fonts, type hash in a word with spacing and run. Then big size of fonts shows. If you want a smaller size of fonts, you just type hash more times, which is possible to add up to 6 times of hash. You can save a file by press this save button. And currently, file name is untitled. Go to file and select rename. Then you can rename a file name. Close a window and CMD. And you can see a file created with checkpoint folder at desktop. You did a good job. Today you learned how to use Jupyter Notebook. Maybe it is boring, but I can tell you that this is an important time. Imagine that most of your work automatically run, and you just enjoy tea time. Is it good? Next time you can know what data types are and operations exist in Python. See you later.